Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Usne has been trending. She has been trending. So she recently did an interview with a podcast on YouTube where she was just sharing her life story, and she was basically sharing everything about herself and how she lost her mom, her relationship with her dad, the relationship with the siblings, as well as the stepmothers. So what I like about this interview is that at least she acknowledged Umatsele. Umatsele has been so good to her. So those who don't know, Umatsele is Musa Mseleku's first wife. And if you don't know Usne is Musa Mseleku's first daughter. So okay, she had this interview. Now she's trending on TikTok, trending on all social media platforms. So I'm guessing she didn't tell her family that she is going to have an interview, obviously, because she doesn't look like someone who tells her family anything. She doesn't look like that type. From what we have seen on television, we don't know behind the scenes, but yeah, man, she had this interview. She was just sharing, and she also said that her father doesn't love her kids. She said a lot of things, guys. She said a lot of things. I have a video on this channel. You can just go and check it out. You can just judge by yourself all the things that she said. Now guys, as you all know, social media indaba ayihlali phansi. Social media nje, news travel fast. So I'm guessing maybe one of her siblings saw the video, because guys, youngsters nje are all over social media. I'm guessing one of the siblings saw the video, and then they told her father, and then maybe her father went to check it out and so forth. Guys, if I tell you how disappointed that man was, he was so disappointed. Yes, one thing about us, guys, we always think like abazali bayasihlukumeza. When they try to show you what's right and what's wrong, we always think abazali bayasihlukumeza, And for Usne to say her father doesn't like her kids, it's also something else, because she is not supporting the kids. The kids stay with, the first one stays with her stepmother. And she keeps saying, Guti, my father doesn't even support my kids. But guys, let's be honest. The stepmother gets the money from Umusa Mseleku. So it's his father who is supporting those kids. The first kid. So she went on and said, now her child is supported by her stepmother, not her father. She said a lot of things, and her father was so heartbroken. She said a lot of things, guys, and her father was so broken, guys. He was so heartbroken. He responded on Twitter, and and you could tell Guti he really didn't know what to say, because he didn't expect this. Usne didn't alert them, Guti, guys, I'm going to be doing something like this. And for someone to say that you don't love them the way you love your other kids, it's so wrong, because we've all seen her father giving her so many chances, but she kept on messing up. They took the first kid so that she can continue fixing her life, but what did she do? She went on and had another kid. They've been trying, guys. They've been trying. They also gave her a job, but she also messed it up. So guningi. This is what her father posted on Twitter. He said bengingakulindele lokhu, and posted a snippet of the video from the podcast. So basically he was just saying he didn't expect this because usne really didn't alert them. Hey guys, I'm going to a podcast. I'm going to be talking about you guys, So his father was so surprised and said that, oh wow, I was not expecting this. He was not expecting Guti Usne thinks that he doesn't love her. He doesn't. Guys, one day we are going to miss our parents because nje udlala ngethuba usne, like really udlala ngethuba guys. Hi, Usne is stressing me out.